Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Simple present tense. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Rose blank unhappy sometimes before she meets Jack. A. Feel. B. Feels. C. Felt. Correct answer, feels, sometimes shows a frequent state. The crew blank very busy every day on the ship. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. Correct answer, are, every day shows regularity. Cal blank Rose's decisions always. A. Controls. B. Control. C. Controlled. Correct answer, controls, always shows a constant habit. The rich passengers blank fancy clothes usually. A. Wears. B. Wear. C. Wore. Correct answer, wear, usually shows a common habit. Jack blank in the third class cabins every night. A. Sleeps. B. Sleep. C. Slept. Correct answer, sleeps, every night shows regularity. Like, comment and subscribe.